Hey people, just a fall for me. I knew the face, you know. It's it. There, on the junction now. We're gonna get some soup. Everything set. Understand? Out the same way, you know. Early morning, you know.
Put this right up this side.
Look at you.
Chicken foot.
Recording.
That's 5, right? 500 for more, right? Oh, you get me this time. You're faster than me this time.
How is it?
Where's that?
Junction, you know. Junction, you know. We're gonna get some soup, you know.
Huh? 3,005.
Soup hot still. Is it?
Guess one more place I need to stop and I know everybody gonna cuss. Here we go. Let me get the here you go. Thank you, sweetheart.
Everything you know what it is.
I know. How much money you done spend? That $500 bills are fast money to go.
Yeah, the money I'm making outside. People we are selling, but you keep it on the one
It tastes better with a country pepper, right, Eva?
Bossy. No look brata. Water and pipe. Brata.
No. Nowhere. You okay?
See what the big still, no?
Oh, you get pepper in yours?
So, what?
You can't eat pepper?
Where's Boone?
Let me see. Mom, take it off you. Give me the spoon. He ain't give you no spoon?
You're not getting a spoon.
Can I get a spoon? Thank you, sweetheart. Oh.
Pepper?
You don't like pepper, huh? Huh?
No.
You don't like it?
No.
Well, they're gonna be spicy. I think that pepper cooking it though. No, I think that pepper cooking it though. I don't think yours got the pepper because this is a fresh pepper.
Oh.
You man Ackeem? In there he did the Japan sleep.
My soup, huh?
No, he take off boot now.
Melbourne Spike is hot man. No, this is not fresh one. It's a fresh one.
Oh, you mean the one yesterday? Yeah. Yeah, this one just cooked. It thick.
You can get thick, sir. Don't get thick, man.
You want it thicker now?
Ready, but they are too ready, man. So if you turn it quiet, you see the first things off.
No, I didn't like it when it's a thick day yesterday. How you drinking the soup and it's so hot? How you drinking the soup and it's so hot?
Cooler than unbelievable.
What's about burger?
can't go sleep if you drive, you know. If you watch you drive, you know.
But wait, and bread back that said that the soup needs stand up long. And everybody gonna sleep.